This is verse number 109 from chapter 11 Surah Hud. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وأما الذين سعدوا ففي الجنة خالدين فيها ما دامت السماوات والأرض إلا ما شاء ربك عطاء غير مجزوز. The translation is, but as for those who will prove fortunate, they shall be in the heaven, abiding therein so long as the heavens and the earth endure, accepting what thy Lord may will, a gift that shall not be cut off.
Can experience if there is an indication in this verse that a time will come where the people of paradise will be in Jannah while heaven and earth still exist.
Another verse similar to this is next to the verse which I just quoted. So let Imam Sahib read both of them, then our answers.
This is verse number 107 and 108 of the same chapter, Surah Hud. فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ شَقُوا فَفِي النَّارِ لَهُمْ فِيهَا زَفِيرٌ وَالشَّهِيقٌ خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا مَا دَامَتِ السَّمَاوَاتُ وَالْأَرْضُ إِلَّا مَا شَاءَ رَبُّكَ إِنَّ رَبَّكَ فَعَالٌ لِمَا يُرِيدُ. The translation is, and as for those who will prove unfortunate, they shall be in the fire, wherein there shall be for them sighing and sobbing, abiding therein so long as the heavens and the earth endure, accepting what thy Lord may will. Surely thy Lord does bring about what he pleases.
Is there also the word abada in this verse?
Not abada. Yes.
Not abada.
Yes.
In the second verse?
Not also there.
No?
No. فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ سُعِدُوا فَفِي الْجَنَّةِ خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا مَا دَامَتِ السَّمَاوَاتُ وَالْأَرْضُ إِلَّا مَا شَاءَ رَبُّكَ.
That's quite right.
Yes.
Both are exactly the same.
Yes. Exactly.
Now this is the point which I wanted to raise. Both verses are exactly the same, and both are, in both exemption is made with regards to the will of Allah. You understand the point? Now the same thing occurs in another verse, where the will of Allah is mentioned specifically to be favorable to those who are in Jannah and unfavorable to those who are in Jahannam. But the wordings of the two verses in the second couple of verses which I was referring to is slightly different. And in that difference lies the key to your answers, key to the solving of your question. Understand? So read the other two verses. The Holy Quran presents things in couples. The verses are repeated, but with very slight differences to provide you the key for the better understanding.
The same verses again?
No.
Yeah.
Similar verses,
Yes.
which occur elsewhere,
Find out.
where there is a difference in the expression of those two verses regarding the Ahl Jannah and Ahl Jahannam.
Okay, I'll find out.
You see, I remember this generally, but I don't remember the exact references. So that's why I'm asking Imam Sahib to present the whole case. You know, one case on the one side, the other on the other side. The verses will throw light upon each other. Yashuddu ba'duhum ba'da. One will strengthen the other. This is the Quranic style, which is miraculous, isn't it? When I'll show, then you'll understand. Atan ghaira majzuz.
Yes, that is this one.
That's That's this one. And the second place, the similar verses.
Inna rabbaka fa'alun lima yurid.
That's
At
right.
the end part.
What do you mean by this?
After
Just
these,
before that?
Yes, just before.
That's what we
Yes,
read
yes,
that.
فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ شَقُوا فَفِي النَّارِ لَهُمْ فِيهَا زَفِيرٌ وَشَهِيقٌ خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا مَا دَامَتِ السَّمَاوَاتُ وَالْأَرْضُ إِلَّا مَا شَاءَ رَبُّكَ إِنَّ رَبَّكَ فَعَالٌ لِمَا يُرِيدُ وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ سُعِدُوا فَفِي الْجَنَّةِ خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا مَا دَامَتِ السَّمَاوَاتُ وَالْأَرْضُ إِلَّا مَا شَاءَ رَبُّكَ عطاء غیر مجزوز.
Atan غیر مجزوز, which is not used regarding those who will be put to fire. But an expression which is mentioned only in case of those who will be Ashabul Jannah. So this is the difference which must be kept in mind before you start reading the following verses. Understand the point? In case of Jahannam, the same words are used, Khalidina fiha. The inmates of the fire will live therein for a very long time, which would appear to be eternity. But it will not be eternity. They will be there until the whole universe is wrapped up and a new beginning is made. Until that time, they will be therein. The same expression covers Ahl Jannah. The same people are exempted by the expression illa ma sha rabbuk, except for those whom Allah wants to treat differently. At the end of this, it is said, Atan ghaira majzuz. This ata will not come to an end with the ending of the universe. This is the key to your question, in fact. Now you have clearly understood? Have you clearly understood the difference?
I think so.
Yes. Are you looking for a similar pair of verses which occur in another surah? So Imam Sahib gave me the impression that it occurs here. It's not so. In the previous reading, he did not emphasize the word ghaira mazuz, so I was wondering why the difference is not there. But I know that a similar statement is found elsewhere. In that, Atan ghaira mazuz is not the expression which is used, but some other expressions are used. We'll find it out later on, okay?